In today's video, I'll show you how you can earn passive income with Honeygain, and also I'll show you tricks of how you can boost your earnings. Here you have Honeygain's main page. The first thing to see here is the Trustpilot. Let's click it. Honeygain has a really good ratings on Trustpilot. As you can see here, it's 4.5 out of 5, and they have more than 9,000 reviews, which 75% are 5 stars rating and 11% are 4 stars rating. So it's a really good rating. Also, you can check their positive reviews. They have a lot of positive reviews. If you scroll down all the way, you're gonna be able to see it. But let's go back to the website. You can start to earn passive income with 5 easy steps. First, you have to set up your account. I'll show you in a bit how you can sign up. The link will be in the description. I'll leave it pinned on the comment as well. And just for signing up, you get $5. Yes, free money just for creating your account. It can be installed on any device. So you have Mac OS, Linux, iOS, Android. So you have a lot of choices. Step 2. Once your account is set up and you download it on your device, Honeygain will securely share your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data, so you don't need to worry about your privacy. Step 3. This is how Honeygain works, and it's able to pay you. By running as a task on your device's background, Honeygain will gather bits of public information on the web. Honeygain helps credible companies with web statistics, price comparisons, and other verified processes. And for the last and best, you get paid. After going through those easy steps, you just receive your payouts in PayPal or crypto if you don't have access to PayPal where you live. And before we go to factors that influence how much you can earn, if you want to learn new ways to make money online, subscribe and hit the like button on this channel, because I'll be posting videos every week showing you how to do it. Now, factors that influence how much you earn. As you can see here, your earnings depend on the traffic demand required to our business clients, as well as the number of users in your area. Then the number of IP addresses you have. In other words, how many devices you have. This is one trick I was talking about. If you have more than one device, like a phone and a computer, you'll be able to maximize your earnings. And network speed, this might be the most important thing. Make sure you have a stable connection that is fast enough so you can make the most out of it. Now, this is your estimate earnings. If you use one device only, you're gonna be able to earn up to $28 a month. Of course, you won't become a millionaire, but remember, this is all passive income. You don't have to lay a finger to do anything. You can use this money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, to buy a new game. Simply treat yourself with a little online shopping. And if you have 2 devices, like a computer and a phone, you can make even more. If you look here, see, you can make up to $37 a month with 2 devices connected. But there's even more possibilities here. You can check it later and see which one is best for you. Now, to sign up, you can click on the link I left at the description in the comments, so you can start up with your account with free $5. After you register, this is what you're gonna be seeing. This is the main dashboard, and your $5 will be immediately available on your account. Then you just have to do these 3 quick steps. So you download the Honeygain app to your device. So there's a download here. It already recognizes what device you're using, but if not, you can just come to the top here on download app and you choose which one works better for you. Then you install, then you log in using your credentials. Another trick to help you boost your earnings is called Lucky Pot. It's a game that is part of Honeygain's experience and let users win up to 10,000 credits, which are worth $10 every single day. You're automatically gonna be eligible after you share 15 megabytes of internet. Here's how it's gonna work. After you're eligible, you're gonna see up here the honey jar full, and you're gonna also see this open lucky pot. So you're just gonna click on this, and if you're lucky enough, you're gonna get $10 in your account. So remember, every day you're gonna automatically be running for this. The last trick and the fastest way to maximize your earnings is through participating in the referral program. You can invite your family and friends to join Honeygain and earn a recurring bonus equal of 10% of their daily earnings. And to get even better, they can earn the first $5 using your referral link, and after they share 2 gigabytes of internet, you can claim a one-time bonus of 50 cents. Here I'll show you how you can get your referral link. So here on the main dashboard, if you look to the right, this is gonna be your referral link. So you're just gonna copy this and send to your family and friends. But this doesn't stop here. Another way that you can get more people to your referral link is through YouTube. You can create a YouTube short video talking about Honeygain, and there you're gonna post on a pinned comment your link referral. Also, another way, you can go to Facebook and search for Make Money Online groups. There you can make a review on Honeygain and share your referral link so people click on it. Now for the main event, by doing all the steps that I just showed you, you'll be joining a $10,000 giveaway and win amazing prizes like mobile phones, headphones, watches, gift card, and even more. But don't forget, to be eligible, you need to invite at least one friend. And once they gather 200 megabytes of traffic, you will automatically participate in the contest. Winners will be chosen randomly every week. If you want to increase your chances of winning, invite as many friends and family that you can. Thanks for watching. All links will be in the description and also on the comment section. And don't forget to leave a comment saying what prize you would like to win from the contest.